There's the goal. There's the goal. Oh. Hello. Okay, we'll all be over. Bye. Okay, let's go. All right, go tell everybody. It's time to go see the new baby.
I want to go swimmer.
Should we go see the new baby?
Oh, yeah. It's time to see the new baby. Now it's time to see the new baby.
Hooray! Hooray! Let's go overwhelm that new mother.
I told you? We're gonna go see your new brother.
So I need one, Abraham. I want you to carry this frying pan,
I got you.
and then I'll carry this
I
plate.
want to show you.
Okay,
We're
I want
ready.
you to carry these.
Oh, and we need,
Both of them. Okay, there you go.
Carry something?
you're gonna carry this syrup.
Okay.
Carry the syrup. Let's bring coffee. Yeah, bring the coffee.
Are you excited, Weber?
You're a big brother.
You're gonna meet your new brother. Here we go.
See baby.
Thump ba ba bum ba da bum ba ba bum bum ba da bum ba ba bum ba ba bum. Here we go. Here we go. No dogs allowed in. Oh, anywhere. Come on down. Happy birthday, dear Mason.
The table.
Oh yeah, put it right here.
Come in, come in, come in,
Let's
come
go
in.
see the baby.
Come on in, take off your shoes.
Oh yeah, take off your shoes.
Hey, get up.
Oh. Whoa, buddy. Weber, come here, come see your baby brother. No,
Come on, Celia.
come here, come see your baby brother.
That's Mason. That's your brother. Little baby brother. Can you give Mason a kiss? Oh, that's sweet.
I'm give Mason a kiss.
You can, Celia. That's your cousin. That's your little cousin.
Thank you.
Very nice. There's your cousin. It's your cousin, Andrew.
How much does he weigh?
He was, 8 pounds 3 ounces. He was the same length as Weber, but definitely a lot lighter. Her entire labor was only an hour and a half. 50 minutes of hard labor, and that was it.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Is he making that sound?
Yes.
He's so cute.
The little squeaks.
Oh, I hear it.
Yeah. Come here. Come here, you little guy. Oh, look at you. You're so tiny. Oh my goodness. That's amazing.
Perfect little boy.
prayer of blessing. Yes, prayer of blessing. Oh God, we just thank you for this little boy. And we bless him and pray that you would fill him with your spirit and give him the light of your life. And that he would be a light to all those around him. He already is. Some pictures from that side of the screen. I love it. Is he sleeping or has he opened his eyes? He's opened his eyes a bunch already. He's got the littlest little ears too.